Automation Direct's linear bearings and square rails by one give you higher accuracy and load capacity than your typical round rail installations. The one linear guide systems come in 3 series to cover most of your needs. The H series has 4 rows of ball bearings to give you equal load sharing in any direction. The M and MB series has 2 rows of ball bearings, which offers a more compact design that saves you money. Dust and foreign materials aren't a problem because end seals are included on all units. And the H series even provide optional inside seals for additional protection. All of which means you get lower friction resistance, smooth motion, and long life. Click the link below to see if the 1 square linear bearings are right for your application.